It's me again, Juju. And this is a video that I want to share with you guys. It's makeup related, and it's based on the entire look that I have going on here. I want to show you how I created this look. I think it's a nice, clean, simple makeup look that you can wear every day, or to go out to a nice dinner or a nice function or something. And anybody can achieve this look. It's very simple, very easy, and I will show you how to achieve it. And it's for all skin types, okay? It's for anybody who likes this kind of look. The older that I get, the less makeup I want to use, but I still want to look a little bit put together, you know. I really like the eyes, you know. I like my eyeshadow. I think it's really pretty, and I like the orange. I think orange lipstick looks really nice on women of color, and pink looks really nice on white women and lighter skinned women. To me, that's my opinion. And everything that I used in this video will be listed in the description box down below if you are interested in recreating this look. This is enough talking. I hope that you enjoy the video, and I will see you in another video very soon. Check out my hair video so you can see how I achieve this really nice braid out. And anyway, enjoy. Bye. Shalom. God bless you. I want to start with priming your face first. Well, you want to start with cleansing, then cleansing your face and moisturizing it and toning it, and then you want to apply a primer of your choice. I am using this primer because this is what I have for the moment. This is the Makeup Forever Step 1 primer. It's a mattifying primer, and they have the hydrating one as well. Prime your eyelids using any eyelid primer. For this video, I'm using NARS. You don't have to use the exact primer that I'm using, but that's all that I have right now. And I like to blend my eyelid primer out with my fingers. Well, not fingers, but finger. Most importantly, the ring finger. This eye look, I first went into this Makeup Forever palette 9 Artist Shadow, and I used my finger and I picked up this gold right here. I like to apply gold eyeshadow with my finger. I feel like it picks it up a whole lot better, and I like this palette. I took this fluffy brush and went into the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm going to pick up how do I show you? Okay, this color right here, which is Hot Chocolate, and I'm going to apply that into the crease just to blend it out and clean it up. And I use a very light hand. I can do this step before you apply the gold shadow if you are trying to do this eye look. Into the Makeup Forever palette, and I picked up this color right here. Using this brush, like this, eye right here, the outer V, and just blend it in a circular motion. About a quarter ways into the crease. I'm gonna apply a little bit more of the gold. And I'm just gonna blend from here on out. Just blend everything. The same outer V color, and using the flatter part of this brush, I applied it on my lower lash line. And I took a little bit of the gold and applied that into my inner tear duct and about 1/3 of the way into the lower lash line. So now I'm going to apply a little bit of liner.